An area of disturbed weather near the coast of the Carolinas has surprised forecasters, organizing into a tropical storm Saturday morning. The National Hurricane Center declared in a 5 a.m. advisory Saturday that Tropical Storm Colin had been born. Tropical storm warnings stretch from just south of Myrtle Beach, S.C., northward through the North Carolina Outer Banks. Tropical storm conditions are expected within the warning area along the northeastern coast of South Carolina this morning and will spread northeastward within the warning area. The system was hardly on the Hurricane Center's radar as recently as Friday morning. The Hurricane Center's first public bulletin about the system came at 2 p.m. Eastern Time Friday. Low pressure has formed near Savannah, Georgia. Although significant development of this system is not likely, heavy rains are expected across southeastern Georgia and portions of the Carolinas. In its 5 a.m. discussion Saturday, the Hurricane Center wrote that the storm had developed rather unexpectedly as thunderstorm activity embedded within the disturbance organized late Friday into early Saturday. As of 8 a.m. Saturday, Colin was centered about 25 miles west-southwest of Myrtle Beach. It was a minimal tropical storm, with maximum sustained winds of 40 miles per hour and heading northeast at 8 miles per hour. Over the next day, it is forecast to continue northeastward, paralleling the coast of the Carolinas, before eventually pulling away more to the east. Colin is not projected to strengthen but will be a nuisance for residents and visitors along the coast of the Carolinas. In addition to gusty winds at 40 miles per hour or so, Colin could produce 1 to 2 inches of rain, with isolated heavier amounts up to 4 inches. The National Weather Service also issued a hazard statement for dangerous rip currents along the North Carolina coast. Between Friday and Saturday morning, the system had produced 2 to 4 inches of rain around Charleston, where the showers had mostly moved off to the north and east. Computer model simulations indicate that most of the rain from Colin will remain east of its center, over the ocean, but that intermittent, scattered downpours are a good bet in northeastern South Carolina and southeastern North Carolina on Saturday into Saturday night and along the North Carolina O. By Sunday night, Colin is expected to be well east of the mid-Atlantic coast and dissipating. As the third named storm of the Atlantic season, Colin formed about a month ahead of schedule. The average date of the third named Atlantic storm is August 3rd.